Vrindavan actually. I have been for many days. Unfortunately, we missed the whole trip. Maharaj was about to come, not to come. So 2 days we got delayed. 17th we were supposed to join Rajdarshan program. Can you draw up those maps about it? Not necessarily.
When I was there at your home, at the time they are just ready.
Saturday I'm 5 hours.
5 hours की और छुट्टी दी है.
I think I'll
Hot or school?
This is China.
This is not okay. So again, we are fortunate. Finally, Maharaj is giving his last darshan before our yatra ends today. And one family got COVID, so they went back. Another family, 2 people got diarrhea, and they got getting injections and doctors. So last part of the trip. So people, as today we went to Gokul, Raval, and other places. So recovering. So last part, I think people are feeling, I think this is an austerity to come and join the class. Let's see how it goes.
Those people are standing in the gate. Same people are there. They are
Different. Your dad is coming?
Yeah, it's coming.
He's
Okay.
So we can hear some Katha Maharaj and then we'll share our experience. Please.
So whatever you have heard, you have to let me know. What you have thoroughly discussed. What is left over, I can start.
I think yesterday Nirvana Prabhu came and Prabhu was there also.
So he spoke about
He talked about Govardhan
Govardhan
because
Pashtam.
we gone to
Govardhan
Govardhan.
Pashtam. Okay, Govardhan
So
Pashtam.
many people did first time Govardhan Parikrama.
Okay, good. Govardhan Pashtam is over almost.
Yeah.
So then
Today we went to Gokul.
today was Gokul.
Today was Gokul
So anything about Gokul? Somebody?
No, we didn't hear. We heard about Raval. That Prabhu Jayakesar Prabhu told something. But I
Jayakesar
think if
told
you could
something.
speak about Gokul,
Okay.
that would be great.
Okay. So okay, you will wait or start?
You can start, Maharaj. I started recording and it.
अच्छा they can करता हूँ. Okay, we will start with this song. राधे जय जय माधव दैते. रावल उसको गाए थे?
Raval we sang what is that? Radha Kripa Darshan. This.
बताओ.
And then we sang like Radha Lata Govinda.
Okay. The most authentic prayer about Radharani is this one, composed by Rupa Goswami. Okay.
I stand by myself.
राधे जय जय माधव दैते. राधे जय जय माधव दैते. राधे जय जय माधव दैते. राधे दामोदर रति वर्धन वेशे. दामोदर रति वर्धन वेशे. हरि निष्कुट वृंदा विपिनेशे. हरि निष्कुट वृंदा विपिनेशे. विषभानुदधि नव शशि लेखे. विषभानुदधि नव शशि लेखे. विषभानुदधि नव शशि लेखे. ललिता सखी गुण रमे ललिता विशाखे appearance place of Radharani, and then Krishna's appearance place is Gokul and Raval, and their pastime place is Barsana and Nandagaon. But at least for 3 years they were there in Gokul Gram, Gokul Raval places. So Krishna took bath in Mathura, but over same night he transferred to Gokul, Nanda Bhavan. Sri Vasudev brought him. It was midnight, too much raining, no light, no flashlight at that time, no street light at that time. Somehow or other, the Vasudev Devaki both were chained, tied up with their legs and hands both, and doors, multiple locks were there, and every 4 inches, one security. But Kamsa was high alert for the final match. That was the eighth match, no? That is the final one. So he was totally overwhelmed. Whatever he can do, he did. Whatever. But somehow or other, that particular day, Ashtami Tithi, usually Kansa and his staffs, his parties, they never sleep till late night. Usually, nightclub, this, that, this is Asuric, so they, late night they would sleep and late day they would get up. That is their schedule. Sleeping late and getting up late. That is their schedule. So, but that particular day, Kansa for some days, out of his madness, he was not eating actually. He was suffering like anything. But that particular day, I don't know, he felt so tasty and he ate up to his neck that day. And he was feeling sleepy. All his staff, everybody they slept from noon time. whole evening. Till midnight they are all sleeping. They are all sleeping. They don't know what is going on here. And because it was raining, rain starts from the evening time. So even the security, so much insecurity. Security said, dead night, Ashtami Ratri, and raining. Who will come? Nobody will come. Better take a little rest. Those were night shift guard. Even Gali ke Kutta bhi, they are also taking some place and sleeping. So they also slept. But when Vasudev and Devaki, they saw Krishna appeared inside the jail. And Krishna appeared with his full uniform. Uniform means Vastra, Abhrana, Alankar, Mukut, everything was there, full uniform. Vasudev Devaki saw. He sent percent Lord, Chaturbhuj. He appeared in 400 var. Sankha, Chakra, Gada, everything, full. He said, see, just gazing that they may be Lord. Kansa killed all our sons. And he is 100% Lord. Looking like Lord, full uniform. How come Kansa will leave him? So by seeing the Lord in his full uniform and full form, so Vasudeva Devaki they prayed, oh my dear child, please become a normal child. Don't become this abnormal. Because you are looking exactly like Lord. Kamsa is doubting Lord and is killing. And in your case, no doubt. Completely doubt free, you are sure such Lord. No, yes, I am. No, so, Kansa will kill. No, how can Kansa kill? You know, Kansa also know that. Kansa knew, you also knew, and all Mathuravasis also knew. Now what knew? Now you knew that it was announced that I will kill Kansa. I am the 8th son from the 8th womb. So I will kill Kansa. Kansa knows that. That's why he put you in jail. That's why he is killing all my brothers. Isn't it? That is the reason. Because he knew 100% that I am going to kill him. Now yes, that's all right. We also heard that. But still, we don't know. We know Kansa. Please, please, please. Then Lord said, what to do? They are my parents. And I am their son. And for the first time they are requesting me, I should not disobey. I should obey at least. The first time I should obey my parents. What do you want? We want you to become a normal child. 200 firm child. Okay, my dad. Normal child. Krishna became normal child. So why you want to make me normal? We want to save you. Where and when, that you tell us. We don't know what to do, where to do, how to do. Please, just but we have too much desire to save you. Kansa should not kill you. So please guide us and be a normal child. We want to do anything for you. Then Krishna, when he became normal, before becoming normal child, because when he became 200 firm, he didn't talk to their parents. Before becoming, when he was 400, he told, so now I will become a normal child. What you do, will take this pot here, one soup was there. Soup, you know? Kulla ko English in kya bolte?
Kulla, second.
There is no word in English. So kulla, you will understand, but they cannot understand. You understand? Yes, that. In Hindi, there is Hindi soup. So, but I just had soup, that soup they will understand. So, you know what is soup? Yes, करने वाला.
Then that also.
Huh?
Rice is
Huh. So that was there.
The process what is below.
So Vasudev took that, and so before doing that, because they desire to do some service to Krishna, they desire to do some service to Krishna. That desire is so powerful that their bandhan, hand and the chain tying in hand and leg, untied. बंधन मुक्त हो गए. So when you have desire to serve Krishna, then you become free from your conditioning. So then they put Krishna and they hold, and he was going to look with this heavy iron lock door, 12 gauge, 3 doors are there, 12 gauge iron seats. But just by desire, you are getting untied. And when you really do service, hold Krishna and going out, even this iron door and the heavy lock, they also unlock. They also open automatically. And Vasudeva went. And he didn't care that is heavy rain, dark, what to do. No, I will take it. There was a small baby, it's raining heavily. He doesn't care. Ananta Sesh immediately appeared. He said, he is anyway my father. So I have to say. So Ananta Sesh, Vasudeva didn't know. Ananta Sesh immediately covered him through his hood. And you know Ananta Sesh, those who are special Naga, do you know sometimes some medical doctor or those who are working in mines, they have a cap. On the top of the cap they have a light. The serpent, in their hood they have light, focus light, high focus light. So in the Ananta Sesh on the top like umbrella, from that light is coming. Full light, high range light, 1-2 kilometer, clear, visible. Vasudeva don't know how he can see everything very clear. He doesn't know. In midnight he is walking, no rain and full, very clear light, high range light. And because Ananta Sesh on the top, no Bhuta, Preta, Pisacha, no any other entities, living entities, they are very careful. Because he is the Ananta Sesh. He is holding the whole universe. In a second earthquake, everything will finish. So everyone is fearful. And he is on the top. But Vasudeva don't know what is going on. He is carrying. Because the water is overflowing, nobody can mark out where is Jamuna, where is Mathura. Because water, everywhere water. So he went inside Jamuna also. Jamuna ji was waiting since long time to marry Krishna. She knew that my husband is now newborn baby now. But at least I am performing tapasya for many time. So if my newborn husband is coming, so at least I can touch his feet. So Jamuna up, raise. Nanda Maharaj hold like this, then he like this, then like this, then like this, then like this, then like this. Jamuna is coming up to this. मुंह में, नाक में, आँख में, कान में, सब में पानी घुस गया. So that's how there is a saying, to have Krishna is not that easy. Even the father Vasudeva, उनको भी नाक में, आँख में, मुख में, कान में पानी पिलाकर छोड़. Isn't it? He doesn't know, he was trying to help him. And Jamuna ji आकर के पूरा पानी बढ़ के कृष्ण तब जाकर पैर नीचे किए, जमुना स्पर्श किए तो नीचे चला गया. बट तब तक एक बार तो पानी तो देयर इज ए घाट कल गोकुल. आप गए थे घाट में? कौन सा जगह गोकुल में गया? आप नहीं गए थे क्या? घाट में नहीं गए.
We went to Ramanriti and then we went to Baba, Mathura, Krishna temple.
रमन नदी से आगे गोकुल गया. एक घाट है कोयले घाट, क्योंकि जब पानी बढ़ गया ना, पूरा वहाँ डूब गए, तो ऊपर उठाकर बोले कोई लो, कोई ले, बचा ले, कोई बचा ले, मैं बस मर जा, मेरे बच्चा को कोई बचा ले. She was shouting. So that ghat is called Koile Ghat.
On the way to Mathura.
No. After before Brahman Ghat.
Before.
Before Brahman Ghat. Brahman Ghat तो गए नहीं होंगे. ब्रह्मण घाट से पहले थोड़ा. रमन नदी से आगे. रमन नदी से आगे ब्रह्मण घाट से पहले हो जाएगा. उखल बंधन के आसपास.
Yeah, we didn't go there.
आप यहाँ गए नहीं उखल बंधन अगर
There was no.
नहीं. तो वहाँ पास करके आए. जमुना रास्ता दे दिया पूरा बीच, दोनों तरफ पानी, बीच में रास्ता दे दिया चरण स्पर्श करने के बाद. वसुदेव को कुछ पता नहीं, वो तो चल रहे हैं अपने हिसाब से. पानी निकल गया, फिर आए, आ करके सीधा घुस गए नंद भवन में. 84 में गए थे ना आपने, वो भवन में घुस गए. और सिक्योरिटी भी सोया था वहाँ भी. और सारे भवन में राजभवन था. 9 लाख तो गाय थे. 9 लाख गाय में कौन से 1 लाख तो कावड़ बॉय होंगे भाई, गौशाला मैन होंगे कि नहीं. 9 गाय को अगर एक वाला होगा, 9 लाख गाय को तो 1 लाख वाले होंगे. 1 लाख वाले भी सोए होंगे. और उनके और भी राज कर्मचारी राजभवन के बाकी सोए होंगे. और नंद महाराज स्वयं, उनके 5 भाई है, उपनंदा, अभिनंदा, नंदा, सनंदा, वो भी सब हैं. उनके पत्नी, उनके बाल बच्चे. और जैसे हाँ
Kids, they don't understand.
ओहो, अच्छा. So, where from I? Where from?
In my son.
No.
The water came to here.
Which point? I should start in English. Koile Ghat?
The water came to here.
Yeah. So then he shout Koile. So that place is called Koile Ghat. So then Nanda Maharaj, Vasudev came with his child and went inside Nanda Bhavan. It was midnight, almost 1 o'clock night. Everybody was sleeping. So much dense sleep that even a thief come inside and not security guard, nobody figure it out. And that day, Jasmati Mataji, Jasmati Rani was in delivery ward because she was about to, it was declared that tonight she will deliver his child. At that time there was no nursing home, but Thai Mata, expert, Mukhra was such a senior most nurse, Thai nurse. So she forecasted that 100% sure today midnight delivery will happen. So with 3 assistants, she was the head nurse, Mukhra, and 3 assistant nurse with all kind of ingredients and whatever necessary things needed at that time. Nowadays, I don't know what kind of things that were, but at that time in village and all that, so whatever ingredients they have ready, everything is they have kept and they are waiting. And the baby took bath and nobody knew. They also slept. Mother Jasoda slept, the head nurse slept, staff nurse slept also. Nobody knows when the baby took bath. And even a person come inside and took the baby away, they don't know. I don't know, at the time of delivery, there should be heavy pain, na? So how somebody can sleep? Impossible to sleep, na? How Jasmati Maharani slept at that time? The thing happened the next day, they are all asleep, they don't know. Next day, Nandotsav, everybody get together. That's why next day, So Sandilya Muni, everybody, Bhavgari Muni, everybody get together. So now they will make the horoscope chart. So they send the assistant Sandilya Muni go and ask Maharani Yashoda the timing, because the watch was there inside already. So what was the time? Bath time, that is equal, na? Place everybody knows, Gokul. Day everybody knows, month, day, season. But what is the time? So then the assistant of Sandilya Muni came and asked Yashoda Mata, what is the time of delivery? I don't know. How come you don't know? I was sleeping. You are sleeping? No, yes. He said, this is too much. How come you are sleeping? No, I am sleeping. I don't know the time. Maybe the head nurse, ask the head nurse becomes so ashamed, but she was also sleeping. He said, what can I do? I was kept everything ready, the watch ready, everything is there, but somehow or other, this is the first time in my life. In my career, this is my first time. Maybe 100 already child I have taken care of in their birth delivery cases. 100 delivery cases I have handled. So experienced nurse. But this is first time in my career, I also slept. Well, half an hour before I was there, but then I slept. Then he said, maybe staff nurse. 3 staff nurses were there. All of them, they were slept. So the assistant come back, there is nobody knows the time of the baby. Nobody knows the birth time. No. He said, how they know the birth, took birth? How did they know? I'll go and ask them if they don't know the time. So then again he come back. How do you know that this is your son? You don't know. No, actually we don't know. That boy cried. So you got up. So he make us know. We don't know. So then Sandilya ji said, okay. So then no need of time. Then there is no need. Because when devotees will feel sleep, then Krishna will start crying. So baby Krishna, he cried. Otherwise in Mathura appeared, no cry. No need of crying. Here is making horoscope. There, in Mathura, usually the parents, they used to make horoscope chart of the baby, what will happen. But there in Mathura, when Krishna appeared, he showed the horoscope of his parents for 3 past lifetimes. Isn't it? 3 past lifetimes, the baby boy, he was telling to his parents. So this is the difference between Lord and human being. So anyway, but this Brajavasi, that's why Brajavasi was supremely glorious, because we know that without doing bhajan, no bhojan. Bhajan bina, you can't achieve anything. What to speak of bhajan? If you want to achieve anything, you have to do some labor. Without proper attempt, without proper hard work, you can't get anything, isn't it? So the most difficult to achieve is Krishna Prapti. It's most difficult, isn't it? Janama janama muni jatana karahi antina ram naam avatna. Many lifetimes, big rishis, maharshis, they used to try austerity, severe austerity. Still, they couldn't find it out. It is so hard job to achieve Krishna. But Brajavasis, they were simply sleeping, so much dense sleep that somebody came and exchanged their boy with girl with the boy. They don't know. They don't know the time, nothing they don't know. Neither the staff nurse, the head nurse, the mother, the household, nobody knows anything. So much dense sleep. Even they are so much dense sleeping, they get Krishna. That is their supremely fortunate. That is their fortune. सो करके भगवान को पा जाना हो सकता है? so many saints spending so many sleepless nights. Still they are not getting trace of it. And they are sleeping nicely and Krishna appeared. This is the supreme fortune of Brajavasis. So, Jasoda and nurse, they go like that. So Krishna in Gokul, mystically he appeared, because actually he came and put the boy here and took a girl. They are saying Jasoda had a baby girl. So he exchanged. Vasudev put the boy here, took the girl. So now the girl, you know that the girl Kansa was about to kill her, and she's going to become Ashtabhuja Durga. Another story. So here in Gokul Gram, Krishna stayed here for 3 years. For 3 years, he performed the supermost childhood pastimes. Balya Leela. So enchanting and attractive childhood pastime. All these things happened in Gokul only. This is called Gokul Leela. Gokul pastime. All these Mridubhakhana, Makhanchor, all these Upalambha. Upalam means when he will go to somebody's house and he will not find something, then he will break his parts. Fast. When he has a gang of thieves. Yes, that's why our devotee, Villamangal Thakur, they composed a bhajan about Krishna. Yes, Choragraganyam Purusham. He is the head of the department, HOD of thieves. Yes, Chora Agraganya. He said, why you are telling Chora Agraganya? Because nobody can come match him. He is such a high grade thief. High grade thief? What he was stealing? High grade thief. Are Baba is famous. Braje Prasidham Navanita Choram. If you go to Braj, ask anybody. Bacche bhi bolenge Makhan Chor. Famous as Navanita Choram. Then literally, if somebody steal some Makhan, do you file a case in police? No, nobody do police case. This is not a thief. Very menial. So how can I say this is famous thief? Choragraganyam Purusham. Only Makhan. No. Any other? Yes, come on. Gopangananam Tukulam Choram. Gopangana's dress, their dress also. See, he stole their dress. His gents, their ladies. How come he steal their dress? And used dress. If some thief will go to steal some dress, he will steal some new dress. Na? Old used dress, any thief will steal any used clothes? No. Because he cannot sell it out. Used clothes. And that is for ladies' clothes. How come you are saying this is famous store? No. Yes, ordinary store. No. What else? Any other thing? Any other thing means whatever he is stealing. Not even in the universe, a thief still today appeared that he can steal like that. What? Aneka janmarchita papa chodam. For many lifetimes, whatever sin you have accumulated, you will steal everything. So you will welcome this type of thief to your house, or you will put police? Everybody welcome, na? Oh, chor, please come. Please come. We are keep the wide open gate. Please come. Because if you are stealing the sins, not of this lifetime, many lifetimes, all sins. Aneka janmarchita papa choram. So this kind of. Now, have you seen any thief who can steal sins? No. Siradhikaya hridayasya choram. Have you heard somebody who can steal your heart? Acha, you know what chori means? What do you mean by chori? Chori means, suppose her smartphone is there and she is seeing me. Without taking her permission, somebody took it. That means stealing. That is called chori, isn't it? If I took permission, Mataji, can I use it? Then it is not chori. I can use her mobile, I can take her mobile. If I take permission, is that chori? No, that cannot be. Chori means something taken out from your property taken from you without your knowledge. So how it can possible somebody take your heart without your knowledge? Can it possible? Somebody take out your heart. He has to do first open surgery, no? Open heart surgery. How can somebody do open heart surgery without your knowledge? How can it be possible? You don't know somebody open heart your surgery and take out the heart inside from your body, inside body. How without your knowledge? So this is the theme. Siradhikaya hridayasya chora. He can steal the heart. Be careful, you are in Vrindavan. I saw many people in their banyan. I lost my heart now. Isn't it? HAT heart or HEART heart, I don't know. So Krishna is that expert thing. That's why he is Chora Agraganya. So all these chori pastimes happened in Mathura. Chora Agraganya. Mridabhakkhan, Brahmanda Ghat. There is a famous Brahmanda Ghat. Brahmanda Ghat. When many complaints came, many times complaints came. Yashoda Mata one time, what happened? Many times complaint came that he is doing like this, he is doing like this, he is doing like this. So then Yashoda said, how come you are complaining? Why somebody will steal butter from your house? Tell me. If there is shortage of butter, then he can steal, isn't it? That is genuine. I don't have very much shortage, so he will steal. I have truckload of butter. Truckload, you can take to 3 quintals if you want. How can I have only one son, 900,000 cows, so many huge quantity of butter, why will go to steal from your home, Baba? How can I accept it? So he threw all these complaints. No. So all these gopikas, they had a meeting. Said, okay, we have to red hand catch sometime and bring. Then Ma Yashoda will accept. Otherwise, she is not accepting. Okay. So they had a meeting because Krishna had the gang, rubber gang. Almost all these gopikas son in their party, in Krishna's party. So when they had a meeting, so their son they came, Dada, meeting is going on about him. No problem. Let them do the meeting. So they do the meeting. How can we catch him red-handed? Because he is coming in night time. Dark, because at that time there was no electricity. So it was almost dark. And Krishna himself is dark. So dark comes. So how you will figure it out? Who is coming and going? Inside there is the pitch dark and he is also pitch dark. So how you can recognize when what time is coming and going? So they thought they had invented new plan. Said, okay, we have to put an alarm. How, what kind of alarm situation? That at that time there was no fridge and almirah this type, so they had Sika. Sika, you know Sika? 3 ropes will hang from the roof, and then earthen pots they will come things here. You know? The others they don't.
Oh, yes, yes.
Empty. Anyway, some hanging ropes, there they have to keep this earthen pots. So they said, but he is coming. How is this small boy? How is not? He is making his tricks. Few boys will come, 5 boys, then the top 4 boys, then on the top 3 boys, then the top 2 boys, then the top 1 boy. Now they have reached. They can reach to the pot and take the pot out. So this way they are taking the butter pot out. So how we put the alarm? So from the Loi Bazaar, they purchased many bells, small bells. Bell, you know, ghanti, small bells, many bells. So whole the 3 ropes, na, everywhere, top to bottom, bells are there. The moment they catch, ting 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 ting, then we will immediately come inside and catch hold of it. So they put all the bells in 3 ropes. Their son, Prabhavati. Prabhavati's son came, Krishna, my mummy and Pati, they are putting bells in the ropes. Krishna told, oh, I don't care. Why you will not care? When you say bell will ring and they will catch, they are planning. No, Baba, you don't know. I will tell the bell not to ring. So they will not ring. There will be no sound. Achha. If you tell the bell, they will also obey you. Now why not? I am Lord. Everybody will obey me. How can we, how is the proof? How can we accept that you are Lord and the bells are obeying you? How will we accept? Now okay, come with us, let us come. So came, Krishna said, bring a big stick. So Krishna stand there and order, oh bells, this is my order, I am Krishna telling. No matter whatever happened, no sound. So then this is a stick and beat. No sound. Is really? He is really Lord. The bells are also obeying. There is no sound. So now everybody accepted. Yes, bells are following you. So now, don't worry now. Okay now. Now come. So they make like this group, step. So Krishna on the top. Krishna on the top. So he was holding the hand, in one hand catching the pot, another hand. First he is supplying from the down. You know, down is 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then Krishna. So he's okay first from the down, then up, then finally. So he's supplying, taking fresh water and supplying. And this ladies gang, they are watching. What happened? They came, nothing. No sound, sound will come. No sound, because Krishna ordered bells not to make sound. So all the supplying, so all people they are eating. When finally Krishna told, everybody got, now we got everybody, now your part. So when Krishna started eating, all bells ringing, ring. When all bells ring, all these boys down, they are up. So what will happen now? No, Krishna is holding that, no? Holding that, hanging in the air. In one hand, in place in the meeting, and one hand holding that, and now hanging. You understand what position now Krishna is? You understand what position Krishna is now? All the boys from down, they ran away. So now he is alone. All the bell is ringing, and his one hand is holding the pot, and one hand is eating, and the both the legs in air, and bell sounding. Now all the ladies gang come inside the room. You, what? They catch hold of him. Then Krishna said, "Oh my mother, please excuse me. This time is mistake. Please excuse me. Please excuse me." He said, no question of excuse. Somehow or other, many times she complained, Jasoda was not accepting. So this time, no excuse. We'll take you. So then, Krishna said, "See, I'm requesting again and again. What is use of don't do that, don't do that." He said, no way. So Prabhavati was forcingly holding the hand of Krishna and snatching. Then on the way, Krishna told, "See, Prabhavati, I request you, you are not obeying. If something bad happens, then don't blame me. What you can do?" Okay. And he, near Nanda Bhavan, "See, Jasoda, red-handed I catch your baby. See now." Jasoda said, "Prabhavati, are you mad?" "What mad?" "Because it's खींच के ला रही, and Krishna is standing near Jasoda and is laughing." Jasoda said, "My Lala is with me. How can he is making complaint that he red-handed, Baba? Whom we what? Now what happened? Are you are here? Now who is this?" "He's his son only." He said, "Ore Baba, how come you are? Now you only brought me. What can you say? Baba, I caught that Kalia. How come you are here?" No, you don't know. You only brought me." He said, so throw him away. So then coming back on the way, and again Krishna is there. "You are?" "Yes. But I saw my son. I became your son. So this time I became your son. If next time you try to catch me, I will become your husband. So be careful." So don't try to catch hold of me. So then Krishna went to this rope again, on the bells. Let Krishna asked, "So bells, how dare you ring again when I ordered you, don't sound, and you never sound when everything happened. But finally, when you are, what happened?" Then all the bells said, What we will do? We are following you only, what to me? You told, don't ring. Yes, we didn't ring. But you also told in all Shastra and Purana, when you will eat, bell should ring. So when you are distributing, you are silent. When you eat yourself, bhog lagana. When you eat yourself, so all of us, that is our job to do. Ring, make sound. So you make sound. Krishna said, "Oh, I forgot to edit that." That line. So like that, Krishna used to perform many interesting childhood pastimes. I think you are getting your time up, isn't it?
Kids were hungry, so they left.
Yeah. So like that, this passion, and Mrudubhakhan, that's Brahmana Ghat. So there many complaint comes. Jasoda told, "Okay, now many complaint comes. No, you can't go out. I have big courtyard. You have to play here only. You have to play within courtyard. No way. All my friends, and let them come. They will play here. Whatever supply I will give. No need of going out." So they play there only. Inside the Nanda Bhavan courtyard, they used to play. Nanda Bhavan courtyard, Jamuna ji also in the bank, in courtyard. So they used to sometimes go to Jamuna, that ghat. So there they were playing, one kind of play, small boy, they will make their yark. How they make it? Huh? Attic stoop.
Sand castle.
Sand?
Castle.
Sand castle. अच्छा. Mitti ka mahal, sand castle. So they are make the sand castles. All individuals, all boys they used to make. Krishna was trying his best to make, but he can't make it. Others they are making so nicely. Krishna is small hand, he can make it. He is looking others. He is doing so nice. He is doing so nice. Why I can't make it? Trying to make it, not happening. Making fed up. Why it's not happening? Who is the creator of the Anantakoti universe? He now cannot make a sand castle. And others they are getting above him. So he become very upset. So then all the boys, even Balaram was there, Toka Krishna, who was junior to Krishna even. And she made also nice sand hill. Sand hill. So then everybody said, oh, his sand hill is so nice, this sand hill. Krishna, your sand hill is useless. Krishna became. This is too much upset. Too much insulting for me. Who is number one? Toka Krishna. Toka Krishna. I am down. Him also, yes, yes, you are gone, yes. Krishna becomes so insulted. Immediately, he make his face like this and went and through his sand hill, make a kick, break his sand hill. So Krishna became outraged. Why? You could not make, I make so nicely. Why you become so angry? Why you break my sand hill? And he was ready to fight. Balaram said, actually, it is my Lala's fault. He only went there, kick us, and then he said, okay, pacify, now they are still fighting. Balaram is caretaker, okay, Toka, please come, nicely patting in his back, and said, Krishna became more angry. What happened? He is my brother, my Dada, and caring him so much, he is antipathy. He is winner. I, without taking care of me, he is taking care of him. Balaram taking care of him because he should not fight with Krishna to save Krishna. But Krishna is saying, why he is doing like that? He is my antipathy, he is not caring and carrying him. So he became very upset. And then he said, everybody is anti of me. Even Balaram is not supporting me. And so went inside Nanda Baba. Jasodama, they were doing some household work. What happened? Namaya, everybody is criticizing me. Everybody is criticizing me. What criticizing? Now you tell me the truth. Now what? Now they are saying, I am not your son. Yashoda started laughing. They are saying like that? Now, yes, you are also laughing. What they are saying? And they are saying, our Jashoda, Mother Jashoda is white complex, Gori. Nanda Baba is also white complex, Gore. How come we become Kali? Kali Kolute. You can't be their issue. Because both of them are white. Balaram is their son. See, Balaram is white. You are not. Where from I come? Are Baba. From that nearby hill village, you know hill? Tribal village. From that tribal village, they were selling one boy. So Jashoda Ma, so exchange of one yogurt part. So she purchased you by giving one yogurt part. So you are scheduled caste product. You got this story, na?
Which one?
Are Baba, you will tell? Tell.
Krishna got angry and then he was told that he got sold away because he was questioning why he's because he's darker shade and then his Nanda Baba is white, right, golden complexion, and so is Yashoda. So he's asking that in that story, and then they said that he was sold in some previous village as some baby, and they sold him for one yogurt pot.
Yeah, I know.
So then Jashoda, hearing that, started more laughing. Then Krishna said, that's really, then that is fact. They are also laughing and you are also laughing. That means I am the scheduled caste product. I am not your son. Then Yashoda was, oh, my dear son, you are the only my son. I am speaking truth in the name of the cows, in the name of Brajbhumi. You are the my son, I am your mother, you are my son. So then, who is saying that? Balaram is telling like that, others saying that, I will today take care of them, this, that. Then Krishna, no, don't worry. So you are already, I inform you, so you don't go there. So then Krishna went. So now they were waiting, all because the sand hill now broken. So Krishna went, sit down near their sand hill and started eating the sand. Yashoda used to say that to all the boys that Krishna should not eat sand. Then Kurmi will happen, this, that. All the boys, they know that they like so much, they like Krishna so much, they don't want that Krishna should fall sick. So, but in front of everybody is eating clay. He say, hey, you are eating clay? Mother told you should not eat. What happened? तेरे बाप का क्या जाता है? I will eat. What is happening? I will eat. And Baba will become sick. So what? I will eat. I will eat that much. All eat. All clay I will eat now. So one more time. Everybody alarmed. They say, you will get sick. He is eating. One more time. Then everybody said, no, it's too much. He is not stopping. So they went. All of them, one by one, went and complained to Yashoda. Everybody complained. Yashoda said, this is too much. Everybody complained. He is eating dart. She is eating dart. Truckload makhan they are. And again complain they are stealing butter. And still he is eating dart. Yashoda became really angry, taking a stick in her hand and going to punish. But none of the boys, they want that Krishna should be punished. Krishna should be okay, one, but no, don't eat. But that doesn't mean that he should be beaten. Nobody wants that. But Yashoda is totally really angry today. With a stick in her hand, she was coming. Krishna was thinking, no, Yashoda will not come. He was carelessly eating, putting the clay in his hand. They said, no, we complain, Ma will come. No, I will not come. I just came also, she will not come. But after some time, Ma is coming in also with stick in her hand and angry mood. The Krishna said, what to do now? Immediately. But Yashoda is coming, he was not ready. And the clay is inside. Now he cannot put it in, now he cannot put it out also. So quickly he cannot download it and unload it also. In that case, he become now fearful. And all other boys, they became also fearful. Yashoda is severe now. With really big stick and he is angry now. They are praying, no. This will not happen. Krishna is so tender, so soft. How can you are coming with stick to beat her? No, we cannot see that. But who can stop? Mother, who can stop? She is angry today. So he is coming with her stick. And everybody is praying, oh my dear Lord, oh my Lord, please save, please save. Yashoda should not do like that. And Krishna started crying because now he has to save somehow or other because already Viti is there inside. So Yashoda come, hey, you dirty boy, you are eating clay? No. Straightforward, Mahasatyavadi. No. You are not eating, no? I am not eating. He is saying, they are all liars. Very clearly saying, they are all speaking lies. Even your brother Balaram, he too. You are only, I am only Satyavadi. I am only Satyavadi. But when you are speaking sometimes there is something, sometimes your chocolates in your mouth and you are speaking like that. Yes. And Jasoda could figure it out. Definitely something is inside. He said, okay, if you are Satyavadi, open your mouth. I will see. Now everybody is in panic. Because everybody knows clay is inside. And it is not downloaded. And neither uploaded, neither downloaded. What to do now? She is forcing her to open her mouth, open his mouth, so now she will be beaten up. Open your mouth. Mother, I am telling, I am not eating. Why you are forcing me? If you are speaking truth, my dear boy, then open your mouth. I have to. Yes, you have to. Quick. All the other boys holding hand, almost close their eyes. We can't see what will happen now. Everybody close their eyes. And Jasoda shout, open your mouth immediately. Okay, I am opening. And Krishna opened her mouth. Jasoda was looking inside. Jasoda looking inside. After 1 minute or 2 minutes, all the boys opened their eyes. What is going on? They saw that Jasoda's stick gone out from her hand. Jasoda is trembling and sweating. Her whole body is sweating and sitting like this. What happened? Krishna is laughing. Arey Baba, the scene is changed now. Jasoda should beat Krishna. Krishna should be crying now. Jasoda is crying. Krishna is laughing. What happening here? They all went. Maya, what happened? Arey Lala, I don't know what is going on here. This boy, when I saw inside her mouth, the whole universe is there. I am seeing everything. Whole Himalayan mountain valley, and all the states, even United States, India, Australia, America, everything is there. And all our Gosala, and Nanda Baba, and everything. I am seeing myself also there inside. Everything is there. How come everything is there? All these boys said, how come? He is only 2.5-year-old kid. We are seeing every day, only 1 or 2 small teeth there, inside nothing is there, 2-inch size mouth. And how come everything is there? How come there is Gosala there and everybody is there, he was there, everything? How can it possible? Baba, I saw it. That's why I can't understand. I see something wrong, I saw some dream. How can in daytime, how can she dream? I am not sleeping now. How can I see dream? But I saw in my own eyes, or some ghostly hunted ghost came inside him or inside me. What happened? I cannot figure it out. Krishna is laughing. What happened to mother? Mother is crying and sweating and like sitting like this. She came to beat Krishna. Now Krishna can be beaten, but Jasoda is crying. Because they don't know Krishna is Krishna. Always all Shakti is there. So when Krishna thought, now what to do? Clay is inside. How to say? All the Shakti said, my Lord, don't worry. This Gopi, what she can do? Open your mouth. Krishna, open your mouth. Whole universe is inside. What to see? Only clay. All clay. Not a single drop. All, whole universe is there. What to see? The one clay.